March 13th, 2022, Hagerstown Speedway. Just got away from the main stage looking at the trucks. I'll drive that one. Give me that one. I'll take that one right now. Let me drive that. Somebody's got to have a truck I could drive. I'm all legal. I got a legal license. I got a good medical card. I'll take that. I could drive that. Give me that. Yeah. A lot of trucks here. Some nice trucks. That's it. I'm going to end this one there. Have a good life.